we're talking about, we've been talking about for a little while, is the idea of managing components together as groups, or as they like to call them, patterns. I've got several things. You've seen these before. I've got the name of the page, but then I've got product name. I've got an image. I've got a model number, a part number. Think about what would be in kind of a product card. Um, I've got a description of that product. I've got maybe some specifications with a bullet list. I'm going to go on ahead and add a set of buttons that say add to cart. So I'm going to search for buttons. So you should know how to put all these things together. So I'm going to put my button here, and I'm going to call this add to cart, and then I'm going to say buy now, and let's take this one, and I'm going to move it. I want to actually move this one. There we go. I'm going to swap sides. I'm going to take this one, and I want it to be, I'd really like for them to be space between the items. That way they're either side of the item. Buy it now. I'm going to change color of this one. Change the background color. So if I go over here, fill outline, and I want the background color to be, let's just say that. And then this one, I want it to be a different color. Let's put this one in, go to the background color, and let's go for something in this variety right here. Add a little more green, and it's kind of feel Amazon-y. And I'm going to choose that color right there. And be like, yeah, I'm going to copy that one. I'll hit that one, and there we go. Oops. Let's do this right here. All right, there we go. So now we see that. I'm going to make the text bold here so that it's a little more contrasty. Same thing here. I'm going to make it bold. And then I'm going to take this button, each of these buttons, I want to round those corners. I'm going to just say 16 pixels. Let's see what 8 pixels looks like. That's 8. Let's do 100 pixels. All right, so there you go. We've got our buttons at, I'm going to do it at 8. Now let's do 100 pixels. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, kind of make these pill-shaped buttons. 100 pixels is probably not even achieving the full 100 pixels. So now I've got those two right there. Let me see if I can add one more button. I'm going to add one more button. I'm going to add right here, and it's going to be favorite. Actually, I'm going to see if I can add an icon. Let's see if I can find an icon. How about this? We'll say save, and I'm going to heart. And we'll throw a heart in there. And there we go. Let's bold that, and I'm going to send that over there. From here, I'm going to come in, I'm going to add some padding off to one side. Oops, not padding. That's not what I wanted to do. I want margin. And my margin is over here. It's here. it here? Border, radius, padding, dimensions. It's up here. No. Okay, so maybe I'll do, you know what? I'm going to, nope, not going to do that. I'm going to do spacer. Add some space right here. I'm going to add some space right here. Did I get my spacer in there? Separator. There we go. Let's do that right there. Well, anyway, this button, I'm going to do it different. I'm going to make it a white background. I'm going to give it an outline. Once I find the border, I'm going to do it that. I'm going to say 2 pixels. This text right here, I want it to be typography. I want it to be font appearance. Where is my font color? Font, default, size, appearance, default. Bold. It should already be bold. And the font color, appearance, line height, letter spacing, decoration, reset all. Ah, there we go. Now I should be able to set my text to a dark gray. There we go. I want the outline to be that same dark gray. And then I want that heart emoji to be, I'm going to do a red heart this time. Heart. And I put that red heart in place. And now I save. I've got a save, buy now, and add cart button. Now I've got these things all together in one place. I've got my items. I'm going to start selecting these. I want all of this, if I can actually make my selector select. I'm going to create a pattern. I'm going to call this a vertical product card. And I'm going to put it in the product category. I'm going to turn off the this syncs the pattern across multiple locations and hit add. And there we go. All right. Now I've got that as a pattern. If I go over here into patterns, if I click that, cancel that, I can go to my patterns, and you'll see this right here is a vertical product card. So if I go onto a page and I start dragging that in, it'll put it in place. Now, I'm going to build another product card because I want to show you some other things, and that's going to be in the next video. Anyway, follow along for more.